Hello, I'm John with the FUTech Technical Support Team, and this video is about the FUTech SENSLOG handheld display. We can system calibrate your sensor and instrument at FUTech. We'll take care of the wiring and provide a calibration certificate of the results. To continue, you will need the SENSLOG instrument, your sensor and cable fully connected, and calibration information about your sensor. Calibration information may be available on the FUTech website under support using the sensor serial number. The SENSLOG instrument shares the same pin layout as the IHH 500 and USB 225, making for a direct drop-in. The following are examples of an unamplified sensor, amplified voltage sensor, and a two-wire current sensor to the SENSLOG instrument. To create a calibration profile, go into the menu under Configuration and use the left and right buttons to select the next available profile. The sensor serial number can be found on the calibration certificate as well as engraved on the sensor. The calibration date can also be found on the certificate of calibration. Sensor output specifies the output of the sensor that will be connected to the SENSLOG instrument. It will be millivolt per volt for unamplified, VDC for amplified voltage, and MA for amplified current. The calibration shows the results read from the sensor were in millivolts per volt, so we will select millivolt per volt on the SENSLOG. The unit type will determine which units will be available for our readings. During the calibration certificate lists the loads and capacity of the sensor in pounds. So we will set our units as pounds. The decimal format is a fixed decimal place setting. Using one direction calibration information means the instrument will apply the curve that it has for that one direction to the opposite direction as well. Using two directions means that the instrument can compensate for any symmetry differences between one direction and the other. The calibration information is for one direction only, so we will set number of directions to 1. The first row in the calibration table shows as 0 load and 0 millivolts per volt. So we will set offset load to 0 and offset value 1 to 0 millivolts per volt. Full scale load 1 is the capacity, which is 545 pounds. The calibration certificate table shows that the last loading point of 5 pounds generated 2.0657 millivolts per volt. We will set full scale value 1 as 2.0657. Once the information is saved, we can exit the profile and begin to use the instrument with the calibration information. More support information can be found on the SENSLOG product page under Support Docs. Thank you and have a great rest of your day.